Hey, what's going on, Griddle Nation? Chef Nathan Lippy here. We are in New York City at the Food Film Festival, so we made a really fun film with Bruce Mitchell all about catfish, handmade butter, all of his beautiful, delicious honey. There's so many people here that are absolutely loving it. They're eating all the delicious food. They're watching the film. Let's go check out some of the action.
Get it. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, I was raised on the bayous in Louisiana cooking, and what we like to do is feed people. Feed people good food. And that's what it's about. That's what all food is about, being good and being special. So y'all gonna eat this stuff tonight, and it's gonna be special just for y'all.
We just won a film festival. So we are shaking Bruce's butter. Everyone is having such a great time. So they got to watch Bruce make butter on film, and now look, they're all making butter. It's a team game. And what are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling the Bruce burn. I was shaking for like 5 minutes straight.
Some butter with us.
I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but I can do it tonight.
I got 4 words for you. Plunk, 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 plunk.
It has been so fun hanging out with all these amazing chefs. There's a ton of great food,
Man,
ton of great
thank y'all
chefs.
for coming down.
Wait, we won something.
Yeah.
We won Best Short Film. We won tonight. It's so exciting. People love the catfish. They love your butter.
They loved everything.
They were making the butter.
Yep, everything went good.
People loved everything. It was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. You guys can see more of Bruce at blackstoneproducts.com. We're going to do some more videos. Want to go in the swamp?
And don't forget, we won.
Don't
We
forget,
won.
we won.
We
The Silver
won.
Spoon. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. What do you think, Bruce? We're in the theater now. What's up,
It's cool, man. We are on the big screen.